The 2026 Kenworth T200 Motorhome is the definition of raw trucking power meeting uncompromising luxury. Built on Kenworth's legendary reputation for durability and long-haul dominance, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a command center on wheels, engineered for those who demand strength, space, and sophistication in every mile. At first glance, the exterior is pure presence. The bold Kenworth grille, framed by chrome accents and razor-sharp LED headlights, sets the tone for authority on the road. The massive hood and sculpted body lines reflect the T200's truck heritage, while the extended motorhome cabin transforms that strength into a rolling palace. 6 heavy-duty wheels grip the ground, and the polished side panels give the motorhome a sleek yet commanding profile. It doesn't just blend into traffic, it towers above it. Step inside, and the rugged exterior gives way to a world of comfort. The lounge feels like a luxury apartment, crafted with high-quality materials and designed for maximum space. Plush leather recliners line the main cabin, paired with a dining and entertainment area that features a massive 4K OLED screen. Ambient lighting creates a calming glow, while panoramic windows stretch across the walls, making every campsite feel like home. The kitchen is built for both convenience and elegance. Featuring stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and deep storage compartments, it balances heavy-duty practicality with modern luxury. Countertops with a granite-inspired finish add durability and style, while smart water filtration ensures you're always road-ready. The rear master suite is where the T200 Motorhome proves its class. A king-size bed is set against a wood-paneled backdrop with hidden lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Storage space is plentiful, tucked seamlessly into the design. The ensuite bathroom is spa-inspired, complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and touchless fixtures, features that feel more like a 5-star hotel than a motorhome. Technology runs through every detail. Kenworth's advanced digital cockpit dominates the driving experience, with a massive command screen and augmented reality windshield display providing navigation, performance data, and safety alerts. AI-powered systems manage lighting, climate, and energy use, all controllable by voice or app. Wi-Fi connectivity, wireless charging, and a premium surround sound system make the T200 as smart as it is powerful. Underneath the luxury is the heart of a trucker's machine. The 2026 T200 Motorhome is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, delivering immense torque for towing, climbing, and long-distance travel. Its adaptive suspension ensures smooth handling whether cruising highways or crossing rugged landscapes. Extended-range fuel and electric systems provide freedom for long expeditions, while regenerative braking and solar panel integration keep efficiency high. Safety is uncompromised. With adaptive cruise, terrain scanning radar, blind spot monitoring, and drone-assisted 360-degree awareness, the T200 Motorhome makes driving a machine of this size surprisingly effortless. Even parking feels precise, thanks to Kenworth's advanced assist technology. The 2026 Kenworth T200 Motorhome isn't just built for travel, it's built for dominance. It combines the soul of a trucker's rig with the comforts of a luxury retreat, proving that adventure doesn't have to sacrifice sophistication. This is more than a motorhome. It's a fortress, a command center, and a luxury suite on wheels. The Kenworth T200 Motorhome represents the future of heavy-duty travel, designed for those who believe the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination.